Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming system compatibility and choosing your authenticator. Plug in or wake your security key, or enable the laptop's fingerprint/face sensor. Open account security settings on the service you want to secure and pick Add Passkey. You'll be prompted to verify your identity with an existing method. Complete that. Once done, name the passkey clearly and allow browser or OS to store it securely. This initial action links the passkey to your device, and now you register the passkey and verify it works. When the site asks, touch the security key or authenticate with biometrics, the device will generate a private key stored locally and a public key for the service. Make sure the browser shows a success message, then sign out and sign back into test. If you plan to use other devices, enable OS or browser cloud sync so the passkey can be available elsewhere. This keeps recovery simple and consistent across devices. Finish by securing backups and cleaning up old credentials. Save recovery codes or register a secondary security key now. You'll thank yourself later. Remove any unused passwords or legacy two-factor entries to streamline future logins. If you encounter failures, make sure drivers and browser support FIDO2 are updated, retry registration, or use the backup key to recover access. One key troubleshooting tip. If the passkey won't register, reboot. Try a different USB port or Bluetooth pairing, then re-attempt registration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.